Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Sketchbook app how to move objects. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To move objects in Sketchbook app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your sketchbook, and once you are inside here, what you need to do is just simply open up your drawing, and then once you are done with that, tap on this icon on the top bar. Then you'll find the option that says selection. Simply tap on that. Now among them you can choose the lasso or rectangle or the magic wand to select your area, and once you have selected your area, what you need to do now is drag your finger or Apple Pencil to select the object you want to move. Then once that's done, tap on transfer tool or the 4 arrows right here and then move it where you want to move the selected area. Then you can also pinch to resize or rotate it as needed, and then once all that's done, all you gotta do is tap on done. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.